Hey guys, welcome to the trading recap. We're going to be going over today's price action, and today was a bummer day. Not that we lost any trades, but really because price action was horrendous. However, there were some very key lessons that I touched on, and we actually do a demo trade for a long and a short at the same time, talking through the price action when we're looking at before news type trading. And additionally, we also touch on the emotional aspect of how to build confidence in your trading during the setup. So it is definitely something good to watch. So check it out, enjoy the video. And if you want to join in live, I do trade every week live and would love to have you join us. So let's go ahead and get into the video. See how bullish this candle is? I want to see it close above this. That's a close. I'm not taking it because news is in about 20 minutes. So let's see if this plays out. Your entry would have been right here. Your stop loss would be a close below this level right here. A close, not a wick, just a close. You would target this wick high right here as far as moving your stop to break even, or taking some size off. You want to do this kind of stuff before news. Read price action to see, all right, is price really, is it gonna move before news, or will it disrespect levels? Here's the confusing part, is we have this breaker, right? We're technically in this breaker still, but we closed above this fair value gap, which is a PD array, and we're breaking right through it, meaning it may want to go higher. So this is gonna fail, right? So that makes this a fail. This is a losing trade before the news. So we could have looked at taking this breaker the other way, but when you have contradictory price action, it violated this inversion, meaning it says it wants to go higher. It fails. It looks like it may want to go lower, and right now it looks like it may go back up. This is why we just don't do anything before news. So the 1 minute disrespected fail, the 2 minute is still working, that you could for an inversion. But you can see right now that the breaker also looks like it's about to fail, right? The moment we go above this high, because I have a hard stop loss for my breakers at 10 handles. Do you see this environment, how it's just not conducive to build confidence in your trading? This, I've traded like this before, and when you have these trades that fail in an environment that honestly we should just stay out of completely, it doesn't support or build your confidence. And if I'm gonna trade, I want to do trades that are gonna help build that confidence that I know I can get a win out of. See that? Look at that. Look at this, guys. I'm just like, I don't, there is nothing in me, nothing that wants me to mess around with this. So this is technically still going right now, but did you see that candle up and then the candle down? This is why you just don't want to mess around with it. It messes with your emotions. I'm sticking on this point because I was doing some affirmations yesterday, and I was talking to myself, and I do this constantly, and I would encourage you guys to do the same. Is I was making statements over myself. I said, a successful day in day trading is following my rules and not abandoning them. A successful day in day trading is following my rules and not abandoning them. Right? It's so, this price action is so emotional. How do you follow your rules and not let your emotions start kicking in and being like, oh, is it going to go up? Oh, it's going up. Oh no, it's going down. Oh man, this is nervous now. It just toys with your feelings, man. So I'm just gonna stay out completely, stick to my rules, not abandon them, and wait until the news comes out in about 12 minutes. Now, the only way I probably would take this, if it was very clear. We had a clear draw on liquidity that was tagged. We didn't have anything that was sitting higher, or this LRLR, and price made a nice clear high, clear low, higher high, and then it breaks down. I would probably take that trade because of how clear and obvious it looks. I'm willing to take that risk. So This is not one of those clear and obvious situations. And the only way you're going to figure that out is through time. Time. You have to spend time on the charts, reading it. And honestly, I found that reading price action verbally, like I'm doing with you guys, is more helpful than just looking at the charts and thinking about it. So if you can verbally say out loud what you're seeing, verbally talk out loud to yourself and talk about, all right, I see these relatively equal highs right here. Price, as soon as it disrespects this fair value gap to the downside in 21 seconds, I expect it to run here. Talk to yourself to start seeing if price is actually going to do that. This is how you get better. Intentional learning, right? You can learn passively by just listening to me. You can learn passively by just watching the charts, but it's going to take so much longer. All right, we just disrespected this. This inversion play is now officially invalidated. We've closed below it. Now, based on those rules, you should expect price to start moving lower. But I'm probably going to guess it's not going to do that because we're before the news. Yeah, see that straight up side chop? And on top of that, this candle here disrespected or broke this, broke my high, so I would have been stopped out on this breaker as well. Even if I brought my entry up to here, that would keep me in the play depending on when I got my entry. So you would have had to get a phenomenal entry to still be in this play. But at the same time, you're emotionally going up and down here, man. I probably honestly would have gotten out on this candle here. I would have gotten out on this candle. If I did take this play, I would have taken 10 handles, 20 handles, and I would have ran. I would have got out so quick because I'm not going to hold for a long play before news. Is that helpful? I know, I mean, a few of you, I know you text, you chat on here, but for those of you that don't chat as much, does this explanation help you or give you the confidence to wait? If so, give me a thumbs up, type a 1, say yes, give me some type of feedback so I know that this kind of conversation is helpful to you guys.